It's right here. Hell yeah. Alright. I am very excited for this one. So you can see what it is. Most of you guys won't know what this is, but I'll open it. Cocaine. I'm just joking. This. Jesus Christ. That was a lot of packaging, which I'm happy about. It's nice. So some of you guys might know what this is, but most of you guys don't. And if you know what this is, you're wrong, because you don't know what this is. Now you know. This is nice, bro. This is prepped and everything. Just have to, alright, well, before I talk more than that, I'm gonna show you guys what this actually is. A lot of people, you see, they put the fancy wide diffusers, this part, because they want to make this rear of their car closer to ground, so it doesn't look like a monster truck. It looks lower, it looks nicer, it looks meaner, and all that. But I might make a custom one myself, because buying it is like 400, 300. I can make it myself with ABS, plastic, or aluminum. We're gonna get to it later. But right now, I saw this, and this is RocketBunny Pandem E36 wide body rear valence. This is a rear valence, Pandem rear valence. It comes as a kit, but I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of these that doesn't come with the kit. Basically, I got it without buying the kit. The kit is like 4,000, 3,000, 5,000, somewhere around there. Authentic, if you can find it, all that stuff. But I wanted just this because I'm not trying to go wide body yet again. This goes right here. As you can see, fitment's pretty. I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Shit. It's very shit because it's fiberglass. And anytime you buy anything for your car, be prepared. Fitment's gonna be shit. Because this is not BMW making these. This is just a fucking company making these. Actually, that's not bad. But, okay, never mind. I'm gonna take that back. Fitment is absolutely legendary. It's not, but it's not bad, alright? That's gonna make my car look lower. Oh, this looks so good. So again, fuck. Alright, I need some imagination here. This is gonna be like this, super tight. Same for this. Fuck. Same for this. And over here, because I'm gonna put self-tapping screws on in here. This is how it looks. I think this is not real RocketBunny, or it is, I don't know, but any kit you have to make adjustments. You have to go hard with the Dremel, but this fits no problem. Like, I don't need to make any adjustments. You just have to put it in there and fucking put rivets here or whatever. I went ahead and sprayed these with water, and then my sandpaper is an 800 grit. I was gonna do 400, but I think these are nice enough to just do 800. I might have, should have done, maybe I should have done 2,000 or 1,000, but I don't have 1,000 and I didn't want to do 2,000. And honestly, the 800 feels nice. Maybe after the 800, I'll go ahead and do 2,000, just to be extra. Alright, I wiped it with alcohol, wiped my fingers with alcohol, cleaned this, and I'm gonna lay the wrap on top of it, and then we're gonna get started. Ah, fuck! Are you serious? Stop fucking playing. I'm gonna do another. I didn't even see it. You guys saw it the whole time. You didn't see shit. I'm gonna put another piece. It's gonna have a line, but I'm just gonna put another piece. I'm gonna put an inlay. It's not an inlay, but I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces. Come on, man. I'm almost done. Hello.
We challenged someone on a bet, so.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You don't even eat them like that.
How many more are you gonna get? No, if your family like
Give them to your friends or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Does your family like those?
I mean, we haven't. We only finished one so far.
Okay.
We haven't even opened the other ones.
No,
there you go.
like,
You got another one.
Give it to a friend or something.
Yeah, give it to your
Yeah, I
friend.
think I'll do that. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
My neighbor just gave me Girl Scout cookies. This is probably the 5th time he's giving me these. He just buys a shit ton, just to be nice to like the people who's selling it. He doesn't want it, so he gave me one. I was like, yeah, let me. I was like, ah, sure, yeah, you know. I don't want to say no to his offer, so now he keeps giving me. It's so funny. My neighbors love me. I'm good in my hood. You're. Alright, these are the pieces, nicely wrapped. They look nice, not gonna lie. These look very nice. It's a little dirty because I have my fingerprint on it, but this wrap looks amazing. Over here, I'll put washers, so if you see the wrap is kind of like, don't worry. It's gonna be covered by a washer. And rivet, I'm thinking. Alright, so I got these from Home Depot. It was like about 2 or something, and I had these before. These are rivets, and I have the gun or rivet, whatever you want to call it. But this Dremel, and finally a jack. I've been using my friend's jack, Tenzing, my cousin, or Dom, but finally got my own, and my dad paying for it because he wants to support me doing all this stuff, and you know. Alright, first of all, keep in mind, any body kit you buy or any part, aftermarket part for your car that you buy, it's not gonna fit perfectly. It's always need adjustment. Like so far, if this sits like this, I'm pretty amused. I don't have 2 hands, it's gonna sit better than that, but over here, you see that gap? It sits in there, but I just want it to sit in there more flush. And that's because of me just wanting it to sit more flush. Like this is fine, but I just want it to sit a little bit more flush like this, so I just have to make this piece a little bit more 90 degrees rather than curved, if that makes sense. Everything. Fucking. Let's go. Send it. Alright, it works. I thought it would. Oh shit. Oh my god. Alright, this is how the car turned out. This side, everything's good, no problem. Trimmed. Over there, trimmed. Rivets all in there. Kind of digging the rivets, not gonna lie. The front bumper levels with the, so right there, let me find it, right there, leveled with right there, straight. If you come here though, that right there now matches this. Before it used to be up there. So the rear bumper, if you ask me, is a little bit too short compared to the other parts of the body, but now it's all proportional. Fuck, I will lower the back a little bit more. Friends, when I talk to them, they're like, "Ooh, I like your videos and stuff." Well, comment so I know you're watching, man. It means a lot to me. Don't be weird. I don't care if I know you like that, if I don't. You watching my videos, you fucking with it, makes me happy. Hope you guys like this one. I really loved it, and I feel like the car is now complete. Almost. That just did so much to it. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and again, comment down if you're watching these videos. Thank you so much. Whoever's watching means a lot.